Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is modifier and verb. So let us move. It says seeking to spur science education, elementary and secondary schools will receive $25 million over the next 10 years from the National Science Foundation to promote science. So seeking to spur science education. So who wants to look at development of science? Is it a school or it is a National Science Foundation? So National Science Foundation is seeking to spur science education, right? It means this phrase should modify National Science Foundation. But here it is modifying secondary and elementary schools. Actually, it is modifying schools. And that is why option A out, because school will not seek to spur science education but National Science Foundation. Look at option B. It says $25 million is seeking to spur science education. Same problem. Option C says over the next 10 years $25 million will be spent. Again, incorrect modifier. So option A, B, C out from modifier point of view. The National Science Foundation, fine. The National Science Foundation, fine. So option D and E have no error of modifier. So let us move. Check. The National Science Foundation is to spend 25 million over the next 10 years for promoting science in elementary and secondary schools. So number one, is to should not be used. Why? Is to means expectation. Alright, and expectation means what? Something has been decided and it is going to happen, that expectation. Alright. Now there is another problem in option D too, for promoting. Remember, for plus ing is used to justify fact or something that has happened. We use to plus verb that shows purpose. If something is related to plan, in that case it should be to plus verb. So next 10 years to promote science in elementary school instead of for promoting. So option D out. Option E is the best option. The National Science Foundation will spend 25 million over the next 10 years to promote science in elementary and secondary school. So will means what? Prediction or decision, and again to promote. So option E is suitable option for this question. By the way, if you want to know the difference between is to and will in detail, link has been shared in description. You can click and get to know in detail the difference between is to and will. What if you want to know the difference between for plus ing versus to plus verb? The link has been given in description. You can click and understand in detail.